Zymon B.
Hey guys, what is up? I'm Zymon B and welcome back to my channel! For today's video, as you can see in the title, I'm gonna try and emulate Felix's look now, which is like the black mullet, and I think it's very cute. I don't think I would look like Felix, but I'm gonna try. First off, I would buy a mullet wig, but number one, I don't have money, and I have this lying around. I never wear it because it looks hideous on me. Just a second, I'll put it on my head for you. Basically, looks like a toupee that is fake. I'm just gonna if you can see this, that's how it is. I look really no, just no. Thank God I have hair because I don't have to wear this. So what I'm gonna do, because I don't really use this and I need my money's worth out of it, I'm gonna turn this into a mullet extension for the back of my head. I'm gonna dye my hair all, I don't know, maybe like a dark color so it blends in with the black more, and do my makeup Saturday so we can look as close as Felix can this face get. I'm not gonna promise anything. I look like shit anyway. But I'm gonna start off by dismantling this bitch up. Let's get started. So I have this very trusty and handy seam ripper. I'm gonna start off by removing the clips here. The clips are really easy to remove. This is very cheap, you guys. I don't really recommend buying this because it looks hideous on me and it might look hideous on you too. You are allowed to buy a mullet wig or a mullet extension. You don't have to do this part. I'm just gonna show you guys how I do it. I'm very confident in these things because I really do love crafting, and this channel is all about crafting before, and now it's just, you know, my random shit, and I'm trying to get back my title as a crafting king. And I've sold a wig before, a few, like 2. I don't wear them. It's fun to own a wig though, but you don't really use it in your daily life if you have normal hair. I removed all the clips. Now I'm gonna remove the tracks. I don't know where to start. Maybe at the back? Should we do the back? Kind of complicated. I want to do this off camera. Props to this wig. This sewing is really good. It looks real actually. If I don't have hair, it just would look okay. Ciao. So, where should I start? I don't know. This is not a tutorial anyway, so you don't have to see it, right? So, I'm gonna do this off camera. I know I chickened out, but I'm gonna show you guys maybe if I'm starting to dismantle this. I'm gonna do this off camera. I'm gonna try and figure this out, and I'll show you guys the tracks later.
Egg. What the heck? Where'd you get your egg from?
And we're back. I know this layout looks very alarming because it looks like we scalped a poor man with all of his hair. But here is the dismantled toupee. I got a lot of these wefts that looks like a dog if you zoomed in. Don't you want to pet it? No, I'm kidding. This is the base or the lace of the wig. I don't know if I'm gonna use this or I'm gonna dig for a material out of my stash of fabric, but maybe I could dismantle this as well and use it for something in this project. And of course the 4 clips, I'm gonna use that in this mullet extension.
Someone gave it to me, so oh, an egg. Sweet.
Okay, so basically this is the lace, so I think I'm gonna sew it this way. So I'm gonna sew this, and then I'm gonna sew that here, and then I'll cut this and put the lace from here into this hole right here. It's like a dome shape that I'm gonna do, and then lay tracks on there. So
Out of nowhere? Yeah. Out of nowhere. Is it like right now an egg came out of nowhere?
okay folks, legendary children, this is what I am at right now. Now we have this going on for us. We have the outside of the lace. The plan is to weave these tracks onto this piece of lace in a rainbow order, but leaving a little bit of space between it, so and then I'm just gonna continue doing that. I'm gonna fill in each rows. So if we reach the top and then it flatlined, just gonna go straight ahead and fill those with tracks as well. And then a final track at the top, which finishes it for us. Right now it looks like a beard. That's fun and fresh.
Is it Is it the?
I don't know.
Whoa!
He
I'm
broke
so
the shell.
I
He broke the shell.
Hello everyone, so I'm done with my piece. It's a little bit beardy. As you can see, that's a lot of tracks that I sewn. I was not holding my mic when I did that. But basically, I said that I made an unconscious decision to sew these tracks at the bottom very tightly and very loose at the top. But it made sense because if I wear it, the tail would look more natural and thick. I love that for me. Now I'm just gonna sew on these clips. So I'm gonna get sewing. Just gonna put 2 because I don't want my head to hurt. These type of clips that are put in extensions are very much industrial strength. Insert that here and then through here. I'm very happy with this piece honestly because I really want a mullet, but I know I can't really grow one real fast for this. This is like a trial mode on my mullet hairstyle, so if I look good in this and people believe that it's real, then maybe it should be real, you know what I mean? It's not really my personality to get this haircut, but it's kind of fun. This is not really a tutorial, if you all can tell. Yeah, so I screwed that up, but it's fine. You can just cut it up, you know what I mean? Why are you watching? That's the question here. If you have like an old toupee or something that you want to turn into something else, this is your encouraging moment right now. The fact that it's very trendy is an indication that it might die in a few months, so I'm not dedicating my life into this, which is nice, and it's very cheap. We got one clip in. This is really fun. Are you guys enjoying yourselves? Because I am. I love sewing. Started sewing, hand sewing. I think I was very young because it was taught at school and we had to learn how to sew basic things. I don't really remember when I started like loving sewing, but I remember making this wallet that has like dachshund on the front out of like old fabrics and t-shirts, and I just started from there. You know, I loved crafting for like the huge chunk of my high school. I turned my high school shirt into galaxy print at one point, and it smelled like house paint because I used house paint to make it, and I still wear it with pride. And I don't know where it is right now. Maybe I threw it in the trash or it was given somewhere else, but it was a moment in time where everyone is wearing Galaxy and I don't have money to buy it, so I get crafty. I think crafting will always be part of me, and fashion also is like a huge part of the influence in crafting. I still love those things. The moment of truth, we're gonna put this in here, and we have a mullet piece. Yes! Workbench. The next step in this transformation is to dye my hair a darker color. I'm not gonna dye it black, I'm just gonna paint it like a dark purple maybe. I have a dark purple there. I'm gonna make do. This is like a make it work moment, you know, like Tim Gunn. Make it work.
No!
But luckily it's not raw egg.
It's not raw.
Hello everyone, this is me, Zymon B, and I'm currently editing the video that you're watching right now, and I want to elaborate some things that happened after that clip. So, I dyed my hair dark purple and I'm letting it sit for an hour, of course because I have to. You know, it's already fading because my hair just rejects color now. And I actually restructured the mullet piece because I wanted something more that you can see it in the front, but I think I made a mistake in doing that because this is how I structured the hair, the shape of it here, and I added 2 triangles on either side at the top. But I think I would move those pieces that I added from the top to the bottom so it could show more hair on this side of my face, because in the front you can barely see the mullet piece. But I'm still happy with it because this video is already long enough and it's already at night and I have work tomorrow. I'm gonna cut this video short and I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of how the mullet turned out in my hair right now. Oh, actually, it's not too bad. Well, the colors are different, but... And then for the next video, I'm gonna do my makeup. It's more of a get ready with me style, and I was talking about a bit more about the K-pop industry and what's happening right now there. You know, it's long, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and of course subscribe if you want to see more of my face. And if you really like it, then you should have put up on it to get notified whenever I upload a new video. If you want to follow me on all my social media, it's all at Zymon B. You can like my Facebook page, facebook.com/I'mZymon, and as always, I hope to see you guys soon, and have a great day ahead. Bye guys, stand Stray Kids. Bye.
I didn't mean it.
You see how cracked he is?
Yeah, no.
It's okay.